allow me to take you on a journey that started when I walked through the doors of my Gurukulda school and was welcomed into the warm embrace of my teachers. Respected teacher, greetings. I remember a day not so long ago, in the early days of grade 6th, when I was faced by an insurmountable challenge. Mathematics in my class. That concept had the power to turn my mind into a whirlwind of confusion. I sat there at my desk, staring blankly at the sea of questions in the worksheet, feeling lost and defeated. But then, like a guiding star, my teacher, Mr. Nitish sir, noticed my struggle. He taught me that concept in such a beautiful way that I can never forget it. That day, he didn't just teach me the concept, he taught me the power of patience. All I want to say today is that you are not only my teacher, you are my friend, philosopher, and guide, all molded into one person. I will always be grateful for your support. Happy Teachers' Day.